The stages of the UX process are not singular in offering opportunities for enhancing our ways of working. We can also look into automating side process things, such as productivity or collaboration. I would personally start with the parts that we're naturally not very good at, or the ones we don't enjoy doing. Who wouldn't be excited to get rid of some of the menial tasks? So here are some ideas for using AI in our design work. Creating icons with Midjourney, generating presentations with tools such as Toome or Beautiful AI, stock imagery with Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, color palettes with Chroma, writing documentation with Notion AI, writing with Grammarly, and many other options. The landscape of AI tools is rapidly changing, so many new capabilities pop up every week. The best way to explore ways of optimizing your work is to go to platforms like Futurepedia and see what's new, play around with the tools, learn and experiment on your own. I choose to set aside 2-3 hours in my calendar every week, AI playground time, where I simply experiment as much as I can with whatever I stumble upon. Maybe something worth trying.